Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Kawneer number 033-091. This is the dogging kit for their Paneline device. Kawneer really only has 3 devices that are currently available, unless I'm forgetting one. 1686, 1786, and then their Paneline. The Paneline is quite distinct, and while not utterly unique, it would be the style of exit device that literally acts as a mid-rail. And there are other manufacturers that make devices that prepped into a large rectangular prep in the door where it becomes an integrated part of the door. And the Paneline is just like that. If you've got that entire mid-rail, which is almost all exit device, that's a Paneline. So this is what the dogging kit looks like. The way it operates is when you when you basically depress the device in, it's going to retract the spring so that you can then turn the dogging key and it will hold it in the dogged position. It takes a 7/32 of an inch dogging key, and there's a link down below to one that you can purchase for this. Some basic dimensional properties. Weighs about 0.36 pound. Overall width, about 3 7/8. Overall height of the chassis, about 1 3/4 inches. Out to the tip of the dogging latch, about 2 3/4. Overall thickness of the body itself, looks like it's about 11/16. To the outside of the dogging shaft, about 1 1/8 inches. And this video is really to serve as visual, dimensional evidence of the item. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page, where you can pull up not only all of the Kawneer products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog that's there. Let's take a look at a couple of those product catalogs. The architectural hardware catalog that we have there, we get to the exit device section, and that's going to show us they don't even list, oh they do, quite forgive me. It is listed on page 11, the Paneline, where you can see what that quite unique device looks like. There is also a service parts catalog that is there as well. And they do not list, they don't have every part available listed in that document, but they have most parts available. And the 033-091 is definitely listed there as the dogging assembly for the Paneline device. Okay. According to the image that's shown there, it is installed as shown, depending on the hand of the door naturally. If you have any questions on the Kawneer 033-091 dogging device for the Paneline exit or any other Kawneer product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.